Today we're going to be looking at the letter combinations of a phone number problem on LeetCode. So it basically says, given a string containing digits 2 to 9 inclusive, return all possible letter combinations that the number could represent. Return the answer in any order. So this is basically like an old phone, right? So let's say you just typed in, we're given 2, 3, right? What you could have typed when you enter 2 and 3, it could be A, D, A, E, and so on, right? Like that. So for example, so what I'm trying to say is 2 and 3. So what I'm trying to say is you could this how do you actually find it, right? It's a tree if you look at it, all right? So for the first stage, which is the first character, you could have first stage of the tree, you could have A, E, A, B, or C. The second stage could map to either D, E, F. All right. So, and because we're at the end of it, you can just return the path you've been on. All right. I hope that makes sense. So, essentially, it's a backtracking problem because you have to return everything within the path of that tree. Okay. So, I hope that makes sense. So, for example, so let's have this. I'm just gonna have a hash map to just hold all of my characters. Digit C. So yeah, and I'm going to iterate over this list, and I'm going to use backtracking. So right, yeah. So right, so I'm going to be doing the iterative. I'm not going to be doing recursion. I'm going to be using stack, the stack data structure. I'm going to call stack. I'm going to call stack equals for A for character in digit C, S0, digit 0. Okay, so I'm picking the first character and we're putting it in here. Okay, I'm gonna call it C. C dot append, so it will be path. I'm gonna call it append C. Okay, this is what it's gonna look like. All right, so while stack, okay, and yeah, this is gonna be digit is now gonna be equals to this 1 to the end. Okay, while stack the pop, we're gonna call it path. Okay, path, and what else? Path. I also need. I think I need index. Yeah, so I'm just gonna call it path. Wait a minute, path. Then K. Okay, let me just call it K. Okay, which is the K is the index where I am at. So this will be 1 because I'm picking the first character. So this is not necessary at all. Okay, while stack, okay. While stack. So if index, yeah, okay, let me do this. What to return will be the mapping. Let's just call it mapping. Mapping to be an with this. Okay, so if index equals to len digits, then we've successfully reached the end. So that would be mapping dot append path path, you know, I have to join the path. Join the path, and that'll be the okay. And what else? Yeah, else. We're not at the end yet, so we're just gonna say else. We're gonna call this C's, characters. I'm gonna call this cars equals to I'm gonna say K at K. So digit C at K. I'm gonna say for cars in for C character in cars, for characters in cars, stack.append yep, cars, no, C and K plus 1. No, not that, path, okay, plus C, comma, K plus 1. All right, I hope that makes sense. What else? Now that should work. Let's just run it, return mappings. Hopefully that should work. Oh, right, sorry. No, it shouldn't be K. It shouldn't be K. It should be digits K. Digits K. Not K. What's the problem now? K is not defined. It is actually. Oh, sorry, it is not IDX. Yeah, sorry, I forgot. Yeah, IDX plus 1. Oh, it's just mapping. Yeah, blimey. So this is just a quick reminder to always use starting index out of range. Okay. So you have an empty string. So if you have an empty string, just return if Ctrl-Z. So if string is empty, wait a minute, it says, yeah, if string is empty, if not digits, just return mappings, okay? Okay, so that, oh, right, sorry, this is not supposed to be this, it's supposed to be that. Right, right, so let me just submit, but I hope you get the idea. Cheers, guys, see you next time.